Hey there, welcome back to Palette Life. How are you all? Happy Onam to all of you guys. Like you all, I too was busy with the festival preparation and celebration. Quickly, I'll show some glimpses of our Onam celebration. Then we'll get into the video. Let's get started. Today we will be making a beautiful and colorful tassel. Tassels are used to decorate your curtains, pillows, bags and clothing. There is no limit to what you do with them. Try hanging them in a doorknob, back of a chair or around a vase. The materials needed for making this tassel are some cloth pieces, some colorful threads and beads, microfiber synthetic fillers which is normally used for stuffing soft toys and pillows. First of all, we have to cut heart shape in a paper so that we can use that as a reference to cut that shape in our cloth. Now let's see how to do it. In place of cloth, I am using fleece fabric, which is normally used for soft toy and blanket making. Trace them with a sketch pen or a pencil, then cut it. We need 2 pieces of cloth for making a single piece of heart. You can use all type of fabric like cotton, silk, fur, felt, wool, etc. Let's see how to do it. Now keep right side of both the pieces together inside and stick the edges leaving 2 to 3 centimeters area unstitched. You can hand stitch also. Give some slits in the edges, but be careful, you should not cut the thread. Then take the right side out and start filling the fiber inside till it gets even shape. Then hand stitch the unstitched area of the heart shape. I have made 2 hearts for our project. Then we need some thread. You can use all kind of colorful thread to give a funky look for our tassel. I'll be using this red one first. I may use few more later. I'll be adding few beads to our tassel. Arrange them in a different height. You can add any number of beads in a single thread. I'm using this wool for making our DIY pom-pom balls. Let's see how to do it. Tie them in a thread like we did with our beads. I have made white and red pom-pom balls. Now all items for our tassel is ready. Arrange them in height wise, then tie it all together. Now to hide this stitch, I am using this pom-pom lace. Stitch them in the center and using this little golden bead to enhance that area. Ta-da! Our colorful and beautiful tassel is ready. If you like this content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with yet another interesting video like this. Until then, happy crafting!